G'day. Did you know Jesus was a carpenter? He spent a lot of his life, his adult life, in a carpenter shop, working with timber just like I am, until his heavenly Father released him into his real ministry. And we read a lot about that in the book of Matthew. We're reading from chapter 17 in Matthew. It's called the Transfiguration. After 6 days, Jesus took with him Peter, James and John, the brother of James, and led them up a high mountain by themselves. There he was transfigured before them. His face shone like the sun, and his clothes became as white as light. Just then there appeared before them Moses and Elijah talking with Jesus. And from verse 5, while he was still speaking, a bright cloud covered them, and a voice from the cloud said, "This is my Son whom I love. With him I am well pleased. Listen to him." It's another clear instruction coming from God himself for all of us to listen to what Jesus says and follow him. Listen to him, follow him, and obey him.